Yamo Kwaba Edoba Adom TV. Badwam kase 7 doors on the etojo mu bia wo betie ne outpatient for anasa one more yarea boyramu ewo Reina unit kolebu ne de ne wo muntime nkọ ho say private and wo mo ekọ officer yatum ye de honsam no ebebro na fe yakọ NPP amanyoko no franka tuni a wo ye mampani abede a kire nso ene wa hyebo wona etempo ano no wo behwe no wo mbambo mu no asetene mu no ene ematumi akoyie no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 na ye Facebook nso a Facebook/Adom TV extra na wo YouTube nso a uko YouTube Adom TV tube nso a ye dem wo ho anopa mi amesomo medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said en 7 mu etie President ya wono na da kidney patients ano eye kojo bafo ahenkra nene wode nsama to dwachire mu se kolebu Reina dialysis unit no a minister ehye yesi yemia ye nti yenuano ma won manya hawo won kidney ho no se wontumi nkọ ho ankrankra de no won mu de wani akire se be yom benya nkwa Adom TV kase etoso
kolebu ni hye wo ho ye dọọso nti no yatechim ebi kwadwada ebi ko Tuesday ebi ko Wednesday ebi ko Thursday ebi ko Friday me se me kwadwada nti no normally no kakwesiada ye be fredwada foni nia osimesi brasa time o brasa time nti wonu tama de beko nti ye tie ne nkem se ye nura kwesi no mbe frɛ ya ka bibia kire ya ntehwe anopai me kotwa si wo ho me koye no nurses no ma ye tie ase se omo de omo ntehwe ye nka ahwe ntiro mo so omo mfrɛ ye ewo aho kyerɛ de aba free so omo tu mu free May 22nd bepem samre ye nkrofo mo wu ye 1919 me no ka se bebri na so ntiapo ibi na se atatai omunye sika kwankwo o se aban ni timi ye bibi na mo bie ma yenya kwankwo ko je yayare sa na se yayare hwe na ahode ne bakakra because see ade enye dey iris na watch bi obi iris na watch bi na watch isumi ye nim enani ochena we bi na mempemu with mathematics se obi ewu Mampani abedi achire ya wono na ye franka tuni a MPP amanyoko na yi no so wontu won franka ma won 2024 ye yi ni pie ye sa no nura na dedi kan a wo pie ye wode nsam ahodo akwakoto edwa ya wo chechire mu nhye ne niam ahodo ya wode bedi djuma wo 2024 mu Adom TV etwaso
MPP manifesto and my leadership will have a strong inclusive blue economy component can contribute significantly to the creation of jobs, food security, and economic growth for Ghanaians and Africans in general. Finally, I want to state as clearly as possible that none of our dreams for ushering a successful blue economy in Ghana and Africa as a whole will be realized without the human capital needed to grow and sustain it. I therefore give my full support to educational and research institutes in Ghana and elsewhere in Africa.
Professor Rosemond Bohene Pro Vice Chancellor UCC. Odi tuja se hu benya se ni manimu ya aban ene adusuamu nimdifo beka wo ho abomu se de be ya climate change nsunsanso enya manfo so no betumi eye free ho.
Out of 1904 universities that qualify to be ranked, the university has also maintained its position as one of the leading research-intensive universities globally. With this sterling performance, I pledge the university's commitment to collaborating with the government, industry, research institutions, the media, amongst others, in championing the cause of coastal resilience.
Mampani abedi achira my main day MPP delegate ekoyi no so wontu franka nanra ne dedi kan yeyi no pie yesa no okọ adwuma mu na se wani se okakire sede wono eje no etumu se franka tuni de koso e office ho eni.
I want to thank all of you for the hard work and support that you have given me in this journey to become flag bearer and presidential candidate of the great new patriotic party. You've worked very hard I know sometimes I've been a hard taskmaster, but I think it's all worth it, and I want to thank you. But this is only stage one. So after you celebrate this afternoon, you start work again. And then we move forward because there's a lot of work ahead. But I cannot thank you enough. You've been the best staff I could have ever wished for.
Peasants and cocoa farmers are one more amako. And you crobi or West Achim Messim or Poemantum so. And I won't any abrecord officer, a woman and tea, whom so, say Nipebi, I won't yagalam say, a boy one potamo hunt, one wolf pa. Is a Kobani say, and I won't sue and sue one sasson or over say woman tea, watching penny for drain at the Adom TV in the B. Ekasai.
No menunkuya nso aye no mo kredi mo ha MC de am se voting no no yan se voting de bi ni ekrom ha aye no enti ebetumi ha dachen ebe ha yen yare ye be yare enti etum se MC kro ondwen ya ho se bia sebse bio yare boya ehimfa na yakọ hospital yan kasa na yin esika enti me yestrese kuku nso na adwuma titiri aye ye wo ha kuku ene adwuma aye ye wo enu mu ne yin esika yen ya ba adwuma enu mu ne yin esika hwe ye ma ebo school ense kuku eso mutugu ahimfa na yakọ de adwuma na ye adwuma be no mama ya yan se etimi di ahwe ye ma enti yesre aban se omra na omesu nyimfa nge yen
empanyinfo a wonom efree fair trade Ghana cocoa life etu akuafo nyina afo se won sinkete se won fa won sase no emma wonom a wo betu fom agudie no san se na wo hye wonom bose wa ye krado so obetai wonom achi
cocoa sika ni etumi de bobo se de bititire oman abatan ya papa mo ye nuanom ye nananom ne ye wo fam cocoa eno mu kura ene kura mu a mo de koba na ni esi nansen so de eyareho obedane wo ho yesi galamsey obedane wo yesi galamsey na ekuni pa na ekuni sunsun ekuni otiase ne ekuni otiase so ochina
School for ya womoje ayu Christian school ayenya so ade won makai won nuanom enne ensu yirinti won mokwa ahoye hia mu ewo from montemu ene poemantemu bia wakoye wadoya Adom kase edebe
and enter me a bahan and say, it's to say, I could so good damn near fear and show me far of be brave fear and see you and a kaya kuma and I buy a timony akuma say, I was saying Badwam because it's not class, I was fun, you were desk, you will be beer, but Omunibia and China Samba farm. And say back mom saying Badwam and China and they were ha, yet Chenya, yes, you knew Musia, you knew Mudin Kitan.
And son, Wobako Shia de Siafui. Odi ka ko man kraro mepe so bui kwesi na go eho e ma ne ma wo mo akwa abada wo mo ase se wetimi etu sa na mo yi e ba bebo manfo ohini kiremu a de ato manfo yi de e ha adwene pa ne senti obetoto asere aban ankrankre ene nyumaku awodo se won koso a emeye wo momoa.
Our people are in pain and the school children are scattered, frustrations and the trauma that they are going through is too much for us to bear.
Administrator wa that Imagine IU Christian School ano Sam Yim and so Edison Semi and Etuja.
We're here to survey the situation here in the area of Mepe. We've been told that there have been severe floods due to the release of the waters from the Akosombo Dam, and so we're here to be with the children and also bring some aid to the people here. We want our students to also help out in any way they can, and we've brought some much needed supplies, school supplies and food.
UNICEF also aye adoyeno ebi na womo de niema akwa environmental health directorate no ewo from Montemu so wono mo cheche abusia ya womo sunsuo no ayira se wono mo niema nti won ho che wono onfa mo wo ma Adom TV etwasui.
As we all know, in the past few weeks, there has been an unfortunate situation within many of the districts in the region. And a lot of families, especially children, have been affected in that they have had to move from their regular places of abode and are displaced. So this is to address some of the public health issues that might arise from the displacement. Many of them are uncomfortable in terms of access to water, sanitation, and hygiene services. This kit, which is called a dignity kit, would ensure that at the household level, the basic hygiene requirements will be available to them so that they can maintain their dignity as well as their health.
Enwechi Volta Regional Environmental Health Director Maame Stella Komejiro ya wono energy na mensi no anemo eje UNICEF wash enieme ebo mpanifo ya baso se atoyenchem kase to manfo yi wetimi abeboa wo mo.
Yeah, we are very grateful for this support from our major donor partners in terms of wash, that is UNICEF. When the incident happened, I visited the places and they
Eneya make say College of Physicians and Surgeons one more be one atena ya foforo no mu bi e wo Bono East Mantam ni mo buta ne ya ba ko so won benya ntete ana wo benya asuafo foforo a won be fa ntete mu no maboa e wa pomudin mu.
The boys say German team be about over the foforo bi a won be kire my doctors Badwam woman in the Akoso. And the other I say, get through my doctors in China, and Nick Massani, the people the College of Physicians and Surgeons took the decision to say, the papa, the decentralized, they become younger. And the facilities we are, say, fellow, open the community, only the now, any ministry can be our facilities.
Executive Director Emma Christian Health Association of Ghana, Chad, Dr. Peter Yeboah, and Sudi to just say, be a woman be in Krabate Eyadia, a bebo manfua, one was our profession.
Australia na sadie ba ko se pese ya di nemu mo pese identity ama dachi apopuna dwuma efo enne Chad Christian fo nyina ku enne Ghana College
Odikro ya wo Chiapia say wa Mansia Central ese nei galamsey egu schools ahodo ye won kronkuma mu pa wuyi sadie galamsey ha pomodin mu ensam ni titru ene mapemfo ne nkwada no a schools ahodo nso won kronkuma mu nso egu na e wasa ban no e ma na ni da ho na wo ye bibi ene manimi ya na se beto brebie no kronkuma mu beko na school bi ene ho fi se nkura ni nyina e de wo ho hye galamsey
Galamsey die na na se me ka se ense o ma enuma show me mu na me twantro zena yan kura na e bona ka se school no omo etumi ko no omo ni se o me galamsey nti omo etumi sisa yan pani fo galamsey obi ani otumi ko wa nko pani bia ho enkura na ka se sabre omo betumi akọ school na da chom de ahwe o man no omo ni sisa galamsey no mo ye nti de da chona e hwe o man na school bua school ni sisa de ko ne de sisa me kura no san kura no wie school no omo o wie school na o ti galamsey yo we school I don't galamsey nti de de se me ka se me ka dia de galamsey dia ma en kro ngitu no de e school esai
Nana Asabre Intiredu ya wotosu mienu eye bekwai dwebesoa chidom hene dwumadi na se no ono so dinsem sei ene tudwa
me tufu se sebi enkra no omo ko ho no ko adwuma e ba sa ma adesua ne adekire entumpon ena na me fa sa akwanya de ato mpanyifo omo kitakita sa adwuma no so eda adwuma na no se omo hwe na omo man kra na akwanya na ba ne sebi wo ya driver ni kwa na ko company ma wa anko school a anya de e befa wo adwuma bebre wo ya na school enuma ni ma anya de e befa wo ti na ye sere se sebi se de be ma adesua ne adekire akwaso no se Charlie ba no efiwa beboa e ma sebi na da chene so aye me so madesrade a me de fma fudie kasue so amaji asempanyimfo na du me so education ate se o se hihye bi wa ye omo enko etete bre ni mu ene akora ma school kura se bi etimeti ado bi ma no na ma se bi ye so ya twina so kakra ye nkofa sa no ma nyina anya de emra
mama nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na no pe ya ha na medisi medase se oje bre ehwe ye nko ya fei na de bonkrata any online stories they can home be 2 minutes need a train wadaroma na umahine kwabna sante wa ha ne mfanto aso media fia